Which disease is characterized by feelings of nervousness, panic, and fear? Anxiety. Which drugs are used to fight against bacteria? Antibiotics. What is etiquette? Polite behavior in society. Of what color is a lemon? Yellow. Who is this cartoon character? Mr. Bean. Botswana is a country on what continent? Africa. From which cartoon is this character? Pokemon. What famous clothing line is identified by the crocodile insignia? Which fruit is in the picture? Pomegranate. What falling object is said to have inspired Isaac Newton's theories about gravity? Apple. Which animal is in the picture? Buffalo.